What's up, everyone? We're getting some pretty strong wind gusts. And look at those clouds over there. They're coming this way. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. That was 55. That was almost 60 miles per hour. Oh my gosh. Look at that cloud right there. Oh my gosh, we're about to get covered in this cloud. Guys, look at it come in. It's really coming over my head. Look at my fake dead tree. It's been blowing all over the place. Let me go make sure it's like secured. Alright, gonna make sure it's all secured. Yeah, we're good. Alright, it's all secured. Look at the cloud come over us. Oh my gosh, guys. The wind was blowing directly at me too, so. Oh my gosh, look at this cloud. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this cloud. It's so dark. Dude, that Bradford pear a few minutes ago is going crazy. Look at my fake dead tree. I don't know if you can see it moving on camera, but it is blowing. Oh guys, we're in the cloud right now. When that big gust just come through, I forgot to turn the camera, but I literally saw branches flying everywhere. Like, I'm not even joking. Look at this dark cloud. I wonder if it's gonna hail at all. Because we do have a big chance of severe weather today. Like, the risk is like almost a high right now. It's just about to touch high. Yeah, it's gonna be like this, windy and cloudy all day today with really strong gusts. I probably can't film it because I might be in school. Look at those clouds. Look at how fast they're moving. I don't know if you can see on camera. I don't know if you guys can see them. They look faster than they look on camera. Alright guys, I gotta end this video. The winds are getting way too strong. The storm's not picking up right now, but they are starting to pick up. Whoa, did you guys hear that? What was that? Guys, I literally heard a bang. Alright, well, I gotta end this video because I'm starting to get cold. The winds are getting too strong for me to stand out here. So, yeah, if the storm does pick up, I will let y'all know. So, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe.